Solidarity forever.
So today we have had deliberations with doctors of Kajiado, discussing the issues that are affecting them, the issues that comes in different forms. We have frustrations that comes in clearly with clanisms and tribal aspects, where doctors are not being promoted, and if those few are promoted, it's based on clanism, it's based on the tribes.
Sure.
We have seen that there's so many specialists in this county that have come back, and for almost 10 years, these doctors have not been promoted. And therefore today we are calling out the county that we have given notice before that have not been implemented. We have the CBA that has not been implemented, that has now been kept in the closet of that particular county. We have human research guidelines that I believe the directors and the board have not read and understood.
Hapa kuna ile kitu tunaita clanism na tribalism. Imefika mahali kuwa kama wewe si wa hapa county mzaliwa Kajiado, you become victimized. Wewe ndio utapata transfers rahisi, wewe ndio hutapata promotions. So hiyo imeonekana kuwa there's a lot of clanism and there's tribalism in Kajiado.
Iwapo wewe unasimamia
madaktari kwa hospitali ni wachache, kuna gap kubwa. Kwa hivyo kwa sababu ya hiyo gap unapata daktari akiomba kwenda leave huwa ananyimwa. Akitaka kuweza kuenda shule huwa hapatiwi hiyo nafasi ya kwenda shule kwa sababu county yasema kuwa kuna deficit, upungufu wa madaktari. Ile kwa hivyo unapata wale madaktari wanafanya overtime na wanapata ile tunaita burnout na wanakuwa demotivated, na wengi inafika mahali wanaona kazi hawaifurahii na wana resign. Kwa vile ukifanya kazi na hiyo burnout waweza kufanya makosa ukapata utanyang'anywa lisensi.
We have county having a policy to actually take these policies and dump them. So as a union we have come very strongly to warn the county and tell them that we are giving them 7 days notice that next week on 7th all the doctors in Kajiado County, the medical practitioners, the pharmacists, the dentists, and all the specialists will be out of work. And this will be the county on strike, not the doctors. It is because their rights have been trampled on. It is because the counties has decided to play politics with the life of the doctors and the life of the people of Kajiado.
Shame.
We will not allow this, and we will push it back strongly.